Hello! In this video I will be talking about how to choose your first house, how to prepare yourself, which house you want to visit, to view. I will share my own experience. As you can see in the background, we are already in the progress of renovating our first house. We bought it last year in the end of August 2025. We are super excited. Here I have my cup of coffee. I hope we can have a little chat like a friends. I want to share this experience, like for my best friend, for my family. I hope it's gonna be helpful for you. Before we was viewing our house, I asked myself, what are my priorities? What I mean by saying what are my priorities, I split this question into multiple questions. And first one was, do you want to have a house or a flat? Ask yourself what kind of the house you need. Do you need detached house, semi-detached, terrace house or bungalow? Another question, do you need front yard? Do you need drive-in for your car? When we was looking for a house, we knew that we really need to have a space where to park our cars. So it was number one that it must be with drive-in or a house. Another question, ask yourself, do you need a garage? For us again, it was super important to have a space where to storage our stuff. Another question, do you need a garden, big or small? If you don't like gardening, you don't need to have a big garden. Try to look at a house with a small garden. But if you love to spend your time in the garden, if you love flowers, trees, you need to have a big space. Another important question, how many bedrooms do you need? Do you need 2-bedroom house, 3-bedroom house, 4 or 1? It's very important. My advice would be, look at least for 3-bedroom house, because in the future it would be easier to sell your house. Because 3-bedroom house are family house. We got 2-bedroom house because we don't have kids, and for us was important to have garage, drive-in, so we chose those priorities. You need to compare which is more important for you. Another very important thing, do you need to have a school close to your house? If you have a kids, definitely you want to have school next to your house, at least 10 minutes, 15 minutes drive from your house. Or if you are planning to have a kids as well, it would be very important to have school close to your house. Next question, ask yourself, do I prefer peaceful areas or busy life city? It is very important. After all those questions, finally, you can go on the websites, Rightmove, Zoopla, which one you like, and start looking for your house. And here where we're gonna be using all those answers. Go to the filter section and add all your answers in there. It's gonna filter your needs, and it's gonna be much easier for you to look after your dream house. Trust me, the list will reduce dramatically, because if you are looking after a house, you don't need to look flats, If you don't want a garden, you don't need to look those houses who got garden. Trust me, it will be much easier for you to look, to choose which one you want to view, which one is more attractive for you. So there's my advices, how I was preparing, how to choose my house, which one I want to view, to visit, to look. I hope it was beneficial for you. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel. Next week, I want to talk about what kind of questions we was giving to sale advisors, which are very important because I was having my notes all the time when we was viewing the houses, because I was forgetting what I need to ask because of that, excitement. Oh, it's our first house, we want to buy it. So I hope those details will be really helpful for you. And I forgot about my coffee. So yeah, that's it. That's my tips, how I was choosing our dream house. I wishing you a beautiful day, and I see you in the next video. Bye!